Have you ever wondered about the meaning of oregano? Let's explore this herb and its benefits. Oregano is a herb commonly used in Mediterranean and Mexican cuisine. It has a warm, slightly bitter taste and a strong aroma. But did you know that oregano has medicinal properties too? It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it a popular natural remedy. In fact, studies have shown that oregano oil can help fight infections caused by bacteria and fungi. It's no wonder it's been used for centuries. So next time you sprinkle some oregano on your pizza or pasta, remember its many benefits. It's not just a tasty herb, it's a powerful one too.